To adjust screen brightness level in going to work routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap going to work routine, tap brightness. To adjust screen brightness level, slide the brightness adjustment bar to the right for brighter screen or slide it to the left for dimmer screen. As the example, we will set the screen brightness level to 75%. Next, tap down button to save the change. By doing this, now when going to work routine is on, your phone will automatically adjust the screen brightness level to 75%. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.